also have tentacles, right? Almost forgot about this. Do you guys know I have tentacles? Yummers. But I think my favorite gotta be the black shirt one, the black top one. I don't know why, but I find it very comfy. I love this one. It's very comfy. Hey. Uh, I'm about to jump off a cliff. Whoa, crazy first time message. My commissioner is not answering, and I need confirmation. But they like if they that they like Bo's ref or not. I fucking hate when fucking commissioners do that. Like when clients do that, and you're like, cause like you cannot proceed working on their commission unless they reply with that confirmation. So you're just stuck there, like staring at the wall. Like surely they're gonna text back anytime soon, right? And then they don't. Yeah, it's very annoying. And then later on, they complain that you take too much time. Crazy. Huh, I wonder why. Maybe if someone replied on time, maybe I wouldn't take too much time, huh? Merry Christmas, Laura. Oh yeah, she had a Merry Christmas. Never use the ones with tentacles. I did use it. I think the first time you made them, I did use them. Yeah. Yes, man. You guys should go follow Shaden. Don't forget to go follow Shaden, guys. She made my PNG, the one I'm using right now. She will suck you. I hope. Promise? Please, please, please. Oh man, it's too early for this. It's too fucking early. Because I need to make more casual shirts. Listen, no, it's just me. I'm a simple whore. I'm a simple bitch. I like simple shit. I say this, I say this, but then my outfit is like so goddamn complex. Well, my main one at least. Stop, I have PTSD getting away from those type of clients. It's so funny. Sometimes Zanny would DM me out of nowhere and she's like, I want to kill my client. And I'm like, whoa, whoa, what happened to hi, how are you? And she's oh my god. She always has to go through that. I'm thankfully I don't go through that much. When my clients take too much time to reply, I'm just like, fuck yeah, break time, let's go. And then I end up working on something else. Like, I took a long mental health break before starting their commission because I told them it should take me a week. Then my mental health spiraled. Yeah, it happens. It happens. I just hope they don't pressure you or anything. And take it slow. Take it slow. Never too early. Listen the post or if I send them. Yeah, yeah, I did that. And if they complain, just be like, bro, you did not answer on time, so I had to work. Cause like clients don't understand that it takes like time for artists to lock the fuck in. Like we need some time to lock the fuck in. And once we're locked in, like you gotta fucking reply instantly, okay? Otherwise your commission is not gonna get completed like as soon as you think it would. Or maybe that's just my ADHD. um, I mean, maybe that's just me. Not every artist is like this. Oh, your liner kind of soft. Mm, I don't know. This is my brush. This is my brush. I I remember someone asked me about the brush and were like, "Oh my god, your brush is so nice. What is it?" And then I showed them that it actually looks like this, and they were like, "Oh my god, it sucks ass." I was like, "Excuse me, fucking excuse me." Hello, Heidi. This client gave me revisions every time I gave something, and it keeps happening for months. And she's for months. That would piss me off so bad. And she's like, "So what's the estimated time for this to be done?" I don't know, man. You tell me. But no, if like getting revisions for months, that's an instant no for me. That's an instant cancellation for me. What the fuck do you mean every time you send them something they ask for revisions like for months? That is so bad. Are you okay? Hello, Chi.